Okay, here's how you can show Windows or show the SAM side by side and key. You have the textbook open or whatever. You can even do this with Word. Um, Go down to your start bar where the Microsoft ball is. Okay, that's a taskbar, start bar, whatever you want to call it. I right click. You'll get this window and you can show windows side by side or windows stacked. Show windows side by side. Okay, see what just happened? I'm glad that happened. If you have two tabs like I have here open and you're using Chrome, it will not work. Now if I go to open Word, like I said, mine's a dinosaur. Okay, so it's opening up. And let's say I want to work on one of the Word projects that we'll be working on, starting in lesson, I believe, about 26. Okay, see how it gave it 2? All right, so now if I do show windows, it says, now if I want to undo side by side, it just takes it. It's open down here, but if I open that up, I can still have it. Now if I want them stacked, I can do show windows stacked. And what it is on top, see, here's my Word up here. Well, here's my Word document up here. Okay, see there's the Word document up here, but I still have this open and I can still grab this and move this around as I can do with this one. All right, I personally don't like it that way. I like it side by side. And then, you can have it like this. If you really want to go high tech, I would suggest just finding an old monitor you might have laying around. At my home, I use my laptop monitor, and then I have like another monitor that I leave. Okay, so it really works, and then you can drag it. Now, if you notice here, I've got it open in Chrome, and I've got a Word document. But let's say that you want to use, you want to have this open. Open SAM in Firefox, or open, so you have it. Now see how I have it? And if I do Windows, show Windows side by side, see how it has them all open? Has all 3 of my windows open, and you can minimize one and have the other one open, stretch it out, stretch this one out. Let's see if I can get this one in the window, get it inside here. All right, so if I do this, then I can, HTTP, what is it? Oh, there we go, SAM. I can open up SAM. I can log in. Notice the screen, but you can still, if you need it full screen for a minute, you can do this and then minimize it again. I mean, this is a great feature. Once you get to whichever you like, stacked or side by side, you probably will just love this. And then you can go to your assignments. The hybrid summer, and then let's say you're working on lesson 7, just open it up. Okay, I launch all of mine. Okay, and voila, you can just start typing. We often can take the older jet to Paris and back. Well, I wish I could take a. Okay, next task. All right. So, you'll love this feature. I really, really like having my windows open. when I only have the one monitor. But like I said, if you can find you can even hook it up with a old TV monitor, or TV. If you have your big TV, just get an HDMI cable and hook it up. You could have Sam on your big TV and have, you can even open double windows there. Okay? Hope this helps, Rosa. I'm glad you came back and didn't give up on me. Take care.